Hello student, today we will see our unit 4, that is principle of management. In that we will study our 5S system, what is meant by 5S system, Six Sigma and QFD, that is quality function deployment. Okay, in today's lecture we will see what is meant by a 5S. Okay, so 5S is a philosophy and a way of organizing and managing the workspace and workflow with the intent to improve efficiency, means by eliminating waste, improving flow and reducing process. Okay, means जो भी unreasonableness है that we have to remove. Okay, it is for improvement of working environment. Okay, this is nothing but your 5S. Okay, so 5S activities are to create good working environment through reduction of Muri, Mura and Muda. What is Muri, Mura and Muda? It is nothing but your it is the type of waste which we had studied in previous lectures. Okay, and it helps to have a basis of strong management of workplace. Okay, this is the origin of 5S. So what is meant by a 5S? That is nothing but 5 times S, which is in Japanese word is known as Siri, Siton, Siso, Siketsu and Sitsuke. Okay, and English what we called it as the Siri means sort, Siton means set, Siso means shine, and Siketsu means standardize, and Sitsuke is nothing but your sustain. It is nothing but your sustain. Okay, so we will study these activities, these 5S in details. Okay, sorry. So what is meant by a sort? So sort means focuses on eliminating unnecessary items from the workplace, categorize equipments, furniture, tools in your working place into categories, means into some categories, that is necessary part, unnecessary part, may not necessary part. Okay, in these three stages you have to arrange your equipments, furnitures and tools. Okay, this step will also help with the just in case attitude. Okay, so this is nothing but sort. Okay, so sorting activities means equipment, materials, tools, files and furnitures. These all things can be categorized based on the frequency of use. Okay, जितना हमारा यूज़ है उतना उस ऑर्डर में वी हैव टू अरेंज इट. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन example of sorting, that is place a red tag for categorization of items to identify unnecessary things. Means we have to label some parts which are unnecessary, we have to label it, or label it with red tag. Means red tag जहाँ पे दिखा वहाँ पे समझ लेना कि that are unnecessary items. Okay, and move these unnecessary items, that is broken tools, jigs, fractures, okay, to central store area. Okay, and free up valuable floor space. मीन्स इससे क्या होगा, हमारा स्पेस यूटिलाइजेशन होगा. जो अननेसेसरी पार्ट है, जो अननेसेसरी टूल्स, इक्विपमेंट्स एक्सेट्रा, वॉट एवर, इट विल गो इन द स्टोर्ड एरिया. सो स्पेस यूटिलाइज होगा यहाँ पे हमारा. ओके, next one is your set in order, that is CTON. Okay, so set in order is nothing but set is based on finding efficient and effective storage. Okay, efficient and effective storage of necessary items. Okay, this is meant by a set. And means we have to apply, means can see, can take out, or can return philosophy. Okay, so this will save time and energy to look for something. इससे हमारा टाइम बचेगा एंड ये हमें ऐसी जगह पे रखना है, रखनी चाहिए कि फ्रॉम दैट वी कैन टेक इट इजीली और वी कैन सी दैट प्रोडक्ट और सी दैट टूल इजीली. सो इससे हमारा टाइम कंज्यूम होगा. ओके, दिस इज सेट इन ऑर्डर. ओके, हियर यू कैन सी द एग्जांपल ऑफ सेट इन ऑर्डर which are placed in very appropriate order. Okay, next one is your shine. Shine means cleaning up one workplace daily so that there is no dust on floors, machines or equipments. Okay, this is nothing but your shine, and it will create ownership and build pride in the workers. Okay, so this way means everything is in top working condition so that it can be used when it is necessary. Okay, this is nothing but your shine. So cleaning floors, windows and all things are come under the shining activities. Okay, इसका शाइन का एग्जांपल देखा जाए तो डेली स्वीपिंग एंड मॉपिंग ऑफ फ्लोर, बाथरूम, कॉरिडोर. ओके, एंड रेगुलर क्लीनिंग एंड मेंटेनेंस ऑफ इक्विपमेंट्स एंड टूल्स. So and a periodical checkup for changes in equipments and the service areas such as leaks जहाँ पर है, vibration, misalignment, breakage. ओके, ये थिंग्स का चेंजेस करना ज़रूरी है. ओके, दिस आर द सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ शाइन. Next one is your Siketsu, that is nothing but standardize. In this case you have to maintain an environment where S1 to S3 means S1 is nothing but your sort, S2 is nothing but your set, and S3 is nothing but shine. Sort, set, shine means you have to maintain an environment where S1 to S3 are implemented in the same manner throughout the organization, and it gives opportunities to employees to take active part in the development of these standards. So all employees doing same job should be able to work in any station with the same tool that are in the same location. Okay, in every station. Okay, this is nothing but your standardized. This is standardized chart activity. Means what we have to do, that is develop mechanism to standardize S1 to S3 implementation for continuation के लिए ये हमें करना है. ओके, एंड standardization is used for easy implementation, equalization process output, and everyone should get participated. ओके, सो इसमें 3 एक्टिविटीज़ आएंगी. कौन कौन से आपकी S1 to S3 सॉर्ट, सेट इन ऑर्डर एंड शाइन. ओके, दिस कम्स अंडर in your standardize, that is standardization will lead equalization of activities, so equals to production leveling and smoothing. Okay, so this is nothing but your standardize. These are 5S floor tapping standards. You can read this slide. Next one is your sustain. Sustain is nothing but your Shitsuke. Okay, means self discipline. Okay, in that you have to maintain S1 to S4. In standardize you have to maintain S1 to S3 means S1 to S3 means sort, set, shine, and in this case you have to maintain S1 to S4. S4 means sort, set, shine, standardize. Okay, so maintain S1 to S4 through discipline, commitment and empowerment. Okay, and it focuses on defining a new mindset and a standard in a workplace. Okay, so this is nothing but your 5S. Okay, in 5S that is improvement, prevent, fallback, and also for the further improvement is we have to go through it. And some example of sustain is nothing but your regular process reporting, refresher training, periodical evolution of 5S activities with proper advices for continuation and further improvements. Okay, and appreciation and recognition and awarding on good as 5S activities. Okay, in this case these are the some advantages of 5S, that it increases space utilization, identify abnormalities, smooth working and time saving due to quick retrieval, accidents and mistakes are minimized in this case. Okay, so these are the advantages of 5S. You can read this slide. And these are the target includes means of 5S. It includes that zero changeover, zero defect, zero waste, zero delay means for leading time, zero injuries and zero breakdowns. Okay, this is the target of 5S. Okay, so this is the detailed study of 5S, what is meant by a 5S. Okay, so here we stop, and in the next lecture we will see the implementation of 5S using PDCA cycle. Okay, thank you.